my vibes family, welcome back to my channel. I pray you are all well. On today's menu we have some amazing brown butter honey garlic salmon. Here are my ingredients where me I go use to create this amazingness. We have 4 tablespoons of honey and 4 tablespoons of butter. Now for the garlic, you can use about 2 to 3 cloves, but I'm going to be using my crushed garlic. And yeah, whatever type of salmon you have, as in, the one them were pre-cut or whatever, nice. So I have cleaned up and washed my salmon. And what I'm trying to do here is to see what size I'm gonna cut the salmon and how many pieces I can get. As I said, if you already bought your slice, that's nice. Me always love buy the big old whack so that me can have enough for stretch for another day. Cut them up, girl, cut them up. So I'll be seasoning the salmon with only salt, garlic, and black pepper. So because I'm using my hands to rub in the seasoning, that's why I didn't mix the pepper in with the salt. Since I'm a mom, I've been extremely careful with touching pepper, only because I have to touch my baby's face and eyes, and God forbid my hand go even have on a little bit, a hint of pepper pan it. I'm gonna burn up my love muffin them. Nah, that not gonna work. So that's why I'm just dash on the black pepper last and just left it. By the way, you know what Japan me go and go fall in love with salmon? Man, me used to love when they were serving salmon for lunch at school. Mind you, it never cooks so extra. Very simple, but extremely delicious. Yes, I'm just dash on the black pepper, flip them over, dash them in the bowl. Now try to touch that, now rub it. Black pepper ain't getting no love from me. So I'm going to be putting a few lemon slices in the pot. So that's what I'm preparing here. So pour a 1/4 cup butter in the hot pan. That's 4 tablespoons, and keep the fire on high and let the butter brown. Now this is gonna take a few minutes, so just be patient. And stir as you go along. So when the butter has browned, even if it's a little bit, because me know I have things to do sometimes, right? Next we will add in our honey. Quarter cup or about 4 tablespoons. Take out every little bit. Add in our garlic, as I said, 2 to 3 cloves all minced up, and we stir it up. Make sure it mixes up good. So now that everything is combined, we are going to add our beautiful salmon slices. Take up some of that butter honey juice and pour it on the salmon. Make sure to put it by every single slice. We don't leave nobody hanging around here. Juice them up. Me say juice them up. Okay, so add your lemon slices to the pot. This is optional though, guys. You don't necessarily have to do it. But you know, yeah, me just extra. But you don't have to do it. You can just put the salmon in there and that's it. I'm still a juice them up more. So now we are going to turn off the fire and put the salmon in the oven to broil for 20 minutes. And here are the salmon after 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna baste the salmon with this deliciousness. The same nice juice. We're in the pan, right? Me extra, so me I go over it 2 times. But do you, boo? If you want to do 1, that's okay too. You know, we don't judge around here. So now that we have completed the basting process, let's dash in back the salmon in the oven for another 20 minutes. This is me fasting after about 10. Yeah, it'll come. And here we are after the 20 minutes. She nicely brown and all these things looking so yummy. So guys, this is what we are looking for the salmon to get that nice brown color. Now see her here on my go pan plate because as she says she have video light and frontline looks. Come through my salmon. Guys, don't be afraid for peeping pan her when she in the oven just in case she catch the color before 20 minutes. Right? My salmon lovers, wanna try this please and tell me if you like it. It's a must try though. And for my vibes fam who are gonna say, hold on there after me not broil pan my oven, me not broil pan the oven knob. Hold on 1 second no man, let's get creative. So set the oven pan whatever you normally use to bake your chicken. Let's say 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Me prefer turn down to that than to have it pan full blast and we're gonna burn up with expensive salmon. Right? Give it the same 20 minutes. I'm sure it now go brown after 20 minutes. Then we'll base it and watch it like shark after that. Right? Hello vibes fam, please not go on and open the oven every 2 minutes. Give about 8 or 10 and watch it, right? So this is my lovely brown butter honey garlic salmon and I really hope you guys try it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe there and don't forget to like, comment and share. Uno subscribe, you know. God bless uno abundantly.